Good morning, student. Continuing with 7a, divide 468 of rice into 3 heaps containing the quantities in the ratio of this. First of all, we will solve the ratio. Take the LCM of denominator and multiply the denominator with each. So we get the simple ratio. Now, sum of the ratio. How to find the first heap? First ratio divided by total into grand total. So we get the first heap. Similarly, second ratio divided by total into all. We get the second. Similarly, third. The boys and girls in a school are in the ratio of this. If the number of the girls, so we don't have the total, we have only girls. Fine. How many boys are there in the school? So let the ratio be 8x and 3x. We have girls and the ratio of girls, if this is boy and girl, it means ratio is also of boy and girl. It means 3 is the ratio for girls. So we have given that 3x is equal to 405. From here we can find the value of x. Fine. Put the value of x, so we can get the number of boys. If the question is find the total number of students, then you can add the girls and boys. This is same question like this. Reena weighted 63 kgs. She reduced her weight in the ratio of this. Find her new weight. So new weight will be smaller. This one 8 ratio and 9 ratio for the actual weight. So it's mean ratio of old to new weight. This is old, this is new. So old we have given 63. So 9x is equal to 63. Whenever you have multiply, it is going to be divide. So we get the value of x. And the new weight will be 8x. 8 into 7. 8x means 8 multiply x. That is 56. Her new weight. You can see that 63, 56. So it means this is reduced weight. So this way you can verify yourself. This is one of the question. If A ratio B is this, B ratio C is this, find A ratio C. So first of all, we will convert into fraction. A ratio B means A by B is 5 by 6. B ratio C 2.8 by 3.5. So you know that if you multiply it with 10 by 10, the decimal will be automatically removed. Fine. Suppose you are here multiplying with 10, here multiplying with 10. So the decimal is removed. Now 7 4s are 7 5s are. You get 4 ratio 5. Now simple. A by B is 5 by 6. B by C is 4 by 5. Now how we can manage? We have to find A and C. You can see this. Here is B, here is B. So we have to make the value of B same. How we can? So here the value of B is 6. Here the value of B is 4. So we will multiply this value to this number, both numerator and denominator, and the value of B we will multiply here with both numerator and denominator. Now we can see the value of B is 24, value of B is 24. Now this is same. So it's mean A by B is this, B by C is this. So A and C now we can simply get 20 ratio 30, and also we can simplify this by dividing it with 10. So we get the 2 ratio 3, our required answer. Next is same. P ratio Q is given, Q ratio 3 is given. First of all, we will simplify P by Q. Find when your denominator in the form of rational number, we make it a multiply and reciprocal. We get the simple value. Similarly, simple value. Now P by Q is 8 by 9, Q by R is 3 by 2. What is common? Q is common in both. So here Q is 3, here Q is 9. So multiply 3 by 3, multiply 9 by 9. We get the value of Q is same in both situations. Now we need P and R, so 24 and 18. But it also can be simplified by dividing it 6. So we get a 4 ratio 3. Same questions. A ratio B is this, B ratio C is this. Find A ratio B ratio C. Now this is one of the simplest way you can see. A by B is 3 by 4. B by C is 8 by 9. Fine. A by B is So we can see here b is 4 and here b is 8. If we multiply only it with 2 by 2, it can be 8. So b, the value of b can be same. Fine. If you understand this method, like multiply 8 with this by this and 4 with this by this is also okay. But if you can multiply any number so the value can be same, that also you can do. So we, to make the value of b same, if we multiply with 2 by 2, always multiply with both numerator and denominator. This can also be done. So we get a by b is 6 by 8, b by c as 8 by 9. Value of b is same. Our main motto is the variable, one variable that is common in both, that value should be same. So we get a ratio b ratio c as 6 ratio 8 ratio 9, but it is not going to be simplified further, so you can leave this as it. Next question is, which ratio is greater, this or this? So simply you can make the equal denominator, multiply its denominator with this, its denominator with this. You can see 21 is greater than to 20, it's mean 3 by 4 is greater than to 5 by 7, it's mean 3 ratio 4 is greater to 5 by 7. Two numbers are in the ratio of this. If their sum is this, find the number. Fine. Sum is this. It's suppose we have to take it in the form of x. So it is given that the sum of these ratio is 176. Suppose this is the question of subtraction that I given in the homework. So what you will do? Obviously you have to subtract from 13. So 13x minus 9x. Fine. If the question is subtraction, then subtract from the greater value. So if it is addition, then you can add in any way. Means 9 plus 13 or 13 plus 9. Both are same thing. So here we get the 22x, multiply, it's mean it is going to divide, we get the value of x. Now put the value here, 9x means 9 into 8, 13x means 13 into 8. I am also sending few pics of next classwork, but I will make the video. I will explain the next questions of 7b next time, means tomorrow's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.